All right, hello people of the internet. We're back with the rest of building a payment dApp on Ethereum. We're here with session 7. We're going to look at MetaMask Web3 button for a site. So in our previous live stream, we installed a WordPress installation, and we actually edited the page that was default here. So we'll edit it again. I just had to recreate my success on this environment. So first we're going to go ahead and find and configure a WordPress plugin, and then we're actually going to write the custom code on our own to get this to give us a Web3 button. So let's edit this sample page. So first we're going to start with getting WordPress plugin. That's very limited in its overall usability because it'll only work on WordPress, obviously. Token sale. Get 600 JAIR tokens for every ETH. So here's our WordPress site. And I'm just assuming there's a plugin out there that'll let us do a crowd sale and do it properly. We'll find out, I guess. So we have our post. Do we have a page here somewhere? We need a menu. We need a menu. We need a menu. Menu name. Menu. Here's our menu. Let's have a look at our menu. It should be in the top area here. Yeah, it exists everywhere on the site now as token sale. So I click on this token sale page, we should see what I just created, which is get 600 JAIR tokens for every ETH. So right now we're on the Ganache testnet here, and we're going to go ahead and see what kind of plugins we can install. In order to get us a MetaMask button. Yep, that sounds about right. It's got 3 reviews. It's our only plugin on our demo WordPress site. I wonder what our gas limit should be. Let's find out by doing a test transaction on MetaMask to the sale contract. $100,000. So 200,000 should be good enough. 21 is the gas price we'll use. ETH is the base currency. Base symbol can be whatever, I guess. Input ETH amount is going to be the placeholder. We take 0.1 ETH at a time in our increase-decrease step. Minimum allowed in ETH is 0. Maximum allowed in ETH is going to be, oh, I guess that's only pro version. So I guess you can only use up to 10 at a time on this one here. Add some notes, transaction data. You don't need anything. Put your bounty JSON here. I don't know what we use that for. The optional JSON array of bounty values. Blockchain, mainnet. Mainnet or Ropsten? I wonder if we can use the Ganache network ID here. API for Etherscan. I don't know if we really need this for using our Ganache testnet. We might have to deploy the token on Ropsten, I guess, in order to use this plugin. Your Inferior API key. I really don't think I have that or need that for Ganache. I need to find my Etherscan password. Oh, it might be saved here. I don't know. So we really might need to deploy on Ropsten. We'll find out if this works even with these keys not saying anything. I want the API keys. I wonder if Inc.com accepted my proposal. They wrote me back about it. Let's find out. Welcome to Infura. Skip. I need an API key. The comma separator list of coins to convert the amount inputted by user. Typically is your token USD BTC. Note, if you only want to show icons for coins, make sure that the icon says PNG. So I should sign up to this site then. It's not required, so we'll just leave it out. Put the ICO token address. Put the ICO crowd sale address. Number of days it's open. Token decimal number. The typical value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. The ICO token rate in ETH. Number of tokens per 1 ETH, 600. ICO start date. 10, 10, 19, whoops, 2018. ICO soft cap, we don't have one, and it's only a pro version anyway. ICO hard cap, we don't really care. Private sales need is pro only. Alright, let's see if this will work or if we have to deploy on Ropsten. To deploy on Ropsten, I guess we won't actually, how do I use this plugin? Where does it go? Need to develop a token, need to configure, want to accept PayPal or Bitcoin, want to create wallet tokens, create Ethereum wallets, want to accept Ether when you work on a store. So it's probably a widget then. I don't think it's going to work on Gnome. I think we're going to have to deploy in Ropsten. My Ether wallet. So we're going to need some Ropsten ETH then. Well, I mean, let's just see if it works right now, but let's just try, well, let's just see if it works. I don't think it's going to, though. We'll find out. So below the blog sidebar, we want to, how do I add something? Oh, it's over here. I'm looking for ETH. Inactive widgets. How do I include that sale button? Place the Ethereum ICO and other shortcuts wherever you need it. So that's what we need. Shortcodes, rather. So we just need to go to our pages. have that shortcode in there. Use a bunch of different Ether testnets. Why is that a different address? How long have we been on? 16 minutes, okay. So I have one test Ether on Ropsten. Seems I can head over to my Ether wallet. First we'll see if this works on our Ganache testnet. This button doesn't even display properly. And these conversion rates work, that's good. Yeah, MetaMask doesn't work on Ganache. Okay, so we'll do Ropsten then. We just got to deploy the contract first again. For like the 4th time, Ropsten. Alright, so let's go back here and change this to Ropsten. Go to my Ether wallet. Let's change our overview. Alright, what do I want to do? Contracts. Deploy contract. We got to deploy our sale contract first. Bytecode and gas limit. Alright, 700,000. Bytecode. I wonder if this is what it wants. I guess so. Are we on Ropsten? Are you sure you want to use Ropsten ETH? And then we need our token contract. Then we're going to need to send Ropsten ETH to a different address because we can't use this address to send Ropsten ETH to the crowd sale contract because it doesn't let you use the original creator address to buy tokens. So we'll do that here in a sec. First, we want to look at Ropsten.etherscan.io. Take a look at our address. So here's the second contract. Here's the first contract, which is what we want to interact with in order to use our setup command. So we can see the ABI. No, we can't see the ABI, so we got to go into our code, look at our sale contract, look at the ABI, copy it over. Token address is going to be this second contract. And block. What's the current Ropsten block? 421. Let's just copy this. And we'll go way in the future. Double it. Now we need to send our Ropsten ETH to a different account. Oh, I used 3-way. That's terrible. Let's try that again. Now you can replace a transaction by using the exact same data and using a higher gas price and gas limit. And it'll just send it again with the higher gas price and gas limit, which is pretty cool. So now let's go back to our site and replace this network ID. Where is it? With Ropsten. Save the change. Try to reload our site. Go over to the other Ropsten address up on our MetaMask. Which has the money now, or the test money, 0.8 Ether. So here we are, we reloaded our page. Let's try to buy 0.5 Ether worth. It's going to update the amounts. 300 JAIR tokens we should receive. We need to add well, let's send the transaction first, then we'll add the token, I guess. So here's our recommended GUI and gas limit. Submit that transaction. We should receive some tokens, but we first got to add the token to see it. We should get 300 JAIR tokens as soon as this transaction is confirmed. Confirm transaction. We should get some JIR tokens here. Oh, for some reason I didn't send 0.5 Ether along with that transaction. What's that transaction doing? Fail. Reverted. Which contract did we try to send money? 0.0x ABA. We sent money to the token contract instead of the crowd sale contract. Whoops. Let's try that again. Or no, why did we do that? It's because we have the wrong contracts here in our settings for the Ethereum ICO plugin. Let's go back down here. Put in the right ones. ICO crowd sale is this. 0x ED. The other one is 0x ABA. I guess so. Okay, let's try that. Save changes. So again, it's 0xED, the one that we're looking to send tokens to, or ETH to. Let's try it again. Refresh this page. It's a good thing we got our ETH back though, because it was a reverted transaction. It sent our ETH right back to us. Let's try again. 0.5. It updates with the amounts. Should pop up with MetaMask. It's got a pending transaction. It's just not popping up for some reason. Here we are. So we should be sending to 0xED. Yeah, we are. Let's try that now. Here's a transaction hash from the plugin, which is pretty cool. So we can actually go here and look at our transaction hash. Watch it get confirmed. It was confirmed. See if we have any JIR tokens. Fail. Reverted. So which contract is which? Because we're having an issue here. So the first one is the sale contract. The second one is the token contract. Sale contract is 0xED. Let's see if we can just send it tokens not using the plugin. No, exception thrown in contract code. So what did I break when I deployed it? Did we use the setup? Yeah, we did. Okay, maybe we have our contracts backwards here. Read write contract. Did we write that yet? What did we break here on Ropsten? Is there a minimum amount? No, because I know I sent enough for. Let's try something else here. So right now we're just getting inferior to work with truffle. How long have we been on? 41 minutes. All right, so what we need to do, really, is unlock the Ether wallet using this code. Show the private key for this account. Review, rather. Okay, get this in the MetaMask. Actually, first just send it to me. What is taking up all my resources? Wow, we're listening to Screamo stuff. It's crazy. Okay, so now we need some Ether. And then what does this tell us to do? Yep. There we go. Transactions confirmed. We should have some ETH. We do have some ETH. Let's go back into our... Oh, we're still installing HD wallet provider. So what we'll do is we'll take a break here while the HD wallet providers, while the HD wallet provider installs. And we'll come back with our Ropsten deployment, and then finally get the plugin to work and receive tokens when it sends ETH. Okay, so we'll be back after a short break.